standard. Now I am going to say about Tamil Nadu Minister's name and positions. Thiru M.K. Stalin, Honorable Chief Minister. Thiru Durai Murugan, Minister of Water Resources. Thiru K.N. Nehru, Minister of Municipal Administration. Thiru I. Periyasamy, Minister for Rural Development. Thiru E.V. Velu, Minister for Public Works. Thiru M.R.K. Pannirselvam, Minister for Agriculture and Farmer Welfare. Thiru K.K.S.S.R. Ramachandran, Minister for Revenue and Disaster Management. Thiru Thangam Thennarasu, Minister for Finance and Human Resources Management. Thiru Udayanithi Stalin, Minister for Youth Welfare and Sports Development. Thiru S. Raghupati, Minister for Law. Thiru S. Muthuswamy, Minister for Housing and Urban Development. Thiru K.R. Pediyakaruppan, Minister for Housing and Urban Development. Thiru M.P. Saminathan, Minister for Information. Thiru R.S. Rajakannappan, Minister for Backward Classes Welfare. Thiru S.S. Sivasankar, Minister for Electricity. Thiru P. Murthy, Minister for Registration. Thiru R. Gandhi, Minister for Handlooms. Thiru Ma. Subramanian, Minister for Heritage. Thiru Ampil Mahesh Poyyamali, Minister for School Education. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am Shamima Begum from 5th standard. Prime Ministers of India. 1947 to 1964, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. 1964 to 1966, Lal Bahadur Shastri. 1966 to 1977, Indira Gandhi. 1977 to 1979, Morarji Desai. 1979 to 1980, Charan Singh. 1980 to 1984, Indira Gandhi. 1984 to 1989, Rajiv Gandhi. 1989 to 1990, V.P. Singh. 1990 to 1991, Chandrasekhar. 1991 to 1996, P.V. Narasimha Rao. 1996 to 1996, 16 days, Atal Bihari Vajpayee. 1996 to 1998, Intar Kumar Gujral. 1998 to 2004, Atal Bihari Vajpayee. 2004 to 2014, Manmohan Singh. 2014 to 2025, Narendra Modi. Thank you.
My name is Asifa Mariam. I am studying 5th standard. Today I am going to say Chief Ministers of Tamil Nadu. Kumaraswamy Raja, 1949 to 1952. C. Rajagopalachari, 1952 to 1954. K. Kamaraj, 1954 to 1963. M. Bhaktavatsala, 1963 to 1967. C. N. Annadhuri, 1967 to 1969. M. Karunanidhi, 1969 to 1976. President's role, 1976 to 1977. M. G. Ramachandran, 1977 to 1988. President's role, 1988 to 1989. M. Karunanidhi, 1989 to 1991. J. Jayalalitha, 1991 to 1996. M. Karunanidhi, 1996 to 2001. O. Pannirselvam, 2001 to 2002. J. Jayalalitha, 2002 to 2006. M. Karunanidhi, 2006 to 2011. J. Jayalalitha, 2011 to 2014. O. Pannirselvam, 2014 to 2015. J. Jayalalitha, 2015 to 2016. O. Pannirselvam, 2016 to 2017. Edapadi K. Palanisamy, 2016 to 2017 to 2021. M. K. Stalin, 2021 to at the present. Thank you. I am Fatika from 5th standard. President of India. Rajendra Prasad, 12 years. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, 5 years. Zakir Hussain, 1 year. Varahagiri Venkatagiri, 78 days. M. Hidayatullah, 35 days. Varahagiri Venkatagiri, 5 years. Fakhdin Ali Ahmed, 2 years. P.T. Jati, 164 days. Neelam Sanjuva Reddy, 5 years. Jani Jail Singh, 5 years. N. Narayanan, 5 years. Shankar Dayal Sharma, 5 years. K.R. Nara, 5 years. APJ Abdul Kalam 5 years, Pratibha Devi Singh Patel 5 years, Pranab Mukherjee 5 years, Ramnath Kovind 5 years, Draupadi Murmu are present. Thank you. Everyone, my name is Sabi. I study in 5th standard. I saying that Tamil Nadu districts name Ariyalur, Sengalpettu, Chennai, Coimbatore, Kudal, Dharmapuri, Dindigul, Eedoor, Kallakurichi, Kanchipuram, Kanyakumari, Karur, Krishnagiri, Madurai, Mayiladuthurai, Nagapattinam, Namakkal, Nilagiri, Perambur,